Good morning. We got a little rain delay on planting the soybeans. So I'm in the booth working on my trailer, and well, we put these splinters, call it strata, in this thing, and I want to show you how to bury them. Now, we put 4 good layers of clear on here, and problem is, it's pretty rough. If you try to sand this with, let's say, 600, 800, there's a chance you'll bust through those. So the trick that I like to use to get these buried is a red scratch brad or Scotch-Brite with a interface pad. This is a regular stroke DA, and we have at it. Do it dry, and we're just going to dull this up. And you do that, and you can come back and lay a couple more layers of clear on this and get it covered, and then you can sand it a little flatter. And you have to go 3 times, but that's how you get flakes buried. And if you want to see what it's going to look like, if you're worried about cutting through and it looks dull and you think you messed it up, we'll just take some rubbing alcohol. And lo and behold, you can see them reflecting. They're still good. You didn't cut through them. So that's your trick for checking, and that's your trick for getting them covered. Have a nice day.